This short tutorial will show you how to generate stunning images using artificial intelligence. Open Bing Image Creator, create a free account with your email address, and then sign in. In the prompt field, type a concise description of the desired image, using commas to separate location, view, colors, objects, mood, styles, etc. Click the Create button. After about 15 seconds, Creator generates 4 versions of your image. Click on any of the 4 images. After the selected image opens, click the Save button. This will save all 4 of your images to your Collections folder for later use. Click on a back or forward button to scroll through your 4 images. Inspect each of the 4 images to see which one best conveys your intention. Notice that Image Creator modifies each image by slightly altering colors, designs, angles, and mood. If none of the images are quite what you want, redo the image creation and make adjustments to your prompt, adding or deleting keywords. Once you choose the image you want, click the Download button. Open the file and save it to a folder. Give the file a name and save it to your folder. Open the image in an image editor, add text, sharpen the image, adjust colors, etc. Now you have a finished image which you can export to your folder. Because you are restricted to 1 download per hour, you may have to come back later to your Collections folder before doing more downloads. To access your Collections folder, click on the 3 lines in the upper right corner. Select Collections. Choose a desired collection which will include all 4 images. Here are some more examples of images and the prompts that created them. Old black Rolls-Royce parked in front of a Cotswold, England, large stone house with a thatched roof. Aerial view of large wooden sailboat anchored off the beach in Mykonos, Greece. Living room in Moroccan house, beige carved plaster walls and arches, beige, rose, and black Berber carpet, beige sofa. Outdoor cafe on King's Parade, Cambridge University. View of King's College Chapel. Marrakesh outdoor terrace with Berber rugs and pillows, Moroccan arches and tile work. Terrace of hillside house overlooking the Bay of Tangier, Morocco, light blue and orange Berber rug and pillows. Kingdom Tower at sunset, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Aerial view of Santorini caldera. Cafe overlooking Casablanca Beach with view of King Hassan II Grand Mosque. Marrakesh rooftop terrace with black, rose, beige, Boujad Berber rugs and pillows, Moroccan arches and tile work. Washington, D.C. rooftop cafe with view of Capitol building at dusk. Marrakesh, Riyadh rooftop terrace with red and blue Boujad Berber rugs and pillows. Santorini Cafe overlooking caldera. Cafe overlooking Fez Medina, Morocco, white carved plaster arches and Moroccan mosaic tiles. Moulay Idris II Mausoleum, Fez, Morocco, white carved plaster walls and arches, red and black Moroccan carpets. Note, this is not a very accurate likeness, but it is quite stunning nonetheless. Ait Ben Haddou, Morocco, terrace overlooking the village, Berber rugs and pillows. Street view of Marrakesh rug shop with a coral and black Berber carpet on left side of entrance, ochre and black Berber rug on the right side. As you can see, Image Creator didn't exactly follow my instructions, but I like the results anyway, so I didn't redo it. This tutorial was prepared by William Keenan. I'm the author of Moroccan Mystique, Tales from a Timeless Journey, and Arabia, 9 Years in the Kingdom. You can follow me on Instagram at Keenan_AI art or at Keenan Paintings. On Facebook, just look for Bill Keenan. My website is keenangallery.com, and you can email me at bill@keenangallery.com. Thanks for watching the video, and if you liked it, please give us a like and subscribe to my channel.